everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete saved memory on ChatGPT application using your Android device. Whether you've been tasting conversations or just want to clear your stored data, this guide will make it super simple. First of all, open up ChatGPT application or log into chat.openai.com. Sign into your account like you normally do, and once in the main home page, go ahead and click on the two horizontal menu button at the top left. Now from the expanded menu, click on your username at the bottom. On the next page, click on Personalization. Now click on Memory and then click on Manage Memories. On the next page, under Saved Memories, click on one of the memory you want to delete and click Remove. Or if you want to delete all the memory from this section, click on Delete All at the bottom and click on Clear Memory in the pop-up. And there you have successfully cleared everything from the Memory tab. You've successfully deleted your saved memory on ChatGPT. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.